In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to skip a line in Google Sheets easily. If you've ever found yourself needing to add some extra space or organize your data more clearly, this tutorial is perfect for you. It's a simple process that can really help in making your spreadsheets more readable and visually appealing. Now let's dive right into it. First, you need to open a Google Sheet. If you don't have one already set up, simply head over to Google Sheets in your browser and either start a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you want to skip a line. Once your spreadsheet is open, identify the specific cell where you would like to add an extra line. For this demonstration, let's focus on cell A1. Once you have your Google Sheet open and you've located cell A1, the next step is to enter edit mode in that cell. Doing this is easy. Simply double-click on cell A1. You'll notice a blinking cursor appear, indicating that you can now make changes directly. Now, with your cursor active after the last word or data entry in cell A1, you're ready to insert a line break. To do this, press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and then tap the Enter key twice. This combination of keys allows you to insert a blank line within a cell, and repeating it twice ensures you get the additional spacing you desire. You'll see your cursor move down, creating that extra space you want for clarity and separation. After successfully adding the line breaks, it's time to enter the new line of information. In our example, type in, "This is how to skip a line." You should see this text appear immediately below your original content in cell A1 with a clear gap in between, thanks to the extra line breaks you've added. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to quickly and effectively skip a line within a cell in Google Sheets. It's a handy little trick that can make a big difference when organizing data, creating lists, or just making your spreadsheet more aesthetically pleasing. Remember, using the Control key in combination with the Enter key is the secret to neatly adding those extra lines. Feel free to practice this on your own sheets, and don't hesitate to experiment with different cells and more complex data arrangements. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your Google Workspace. Have a great day and keep organizing effectively.